Welcome to the nerve centre of the Oyster 885, the navigation station. Now let's have a quick look around. The first thing you'll see is this screen here is our monitoring system for all of the technical data on board the yacht. So as you can see here, I can look at AC or DC, or for example, if I wanted to see the level of the water tanks or the fuel tanks, all of that data is available to me here. Moving over here, you'll see we've got a screen that's very similar to the screens in the guest accommodation. However, this is one of the master units, so there's more information and more control function on it. So if I touch climate there, you'll see I can now see the temperatures of all the cabins in the boat, and I can control them from here by switching the air conditioning on or off, or turning the cabin temperature up or down. Same with the lighting as well, and the blinds. What this also has is it has a feed coming from the mast camera as well. So as you can see there, I'm looking at the foredeck. My control for this camera is here. As you can see, I can zoom in and I can zoom out. And also there's another feature of this camera, which is something called FLIR, which just stands for forward-looking infrared, and it allows us to see in the dark and see in fog, which is a really important safety feature on board one of these ocean-going yachts. Here in front of me, you can see I've got one screen that feeds a huge amount of information into it. So I can look at different systems on board the boat. So right now we're looking at the navigation system. I can see the chart plotter on the left and I can see the radar on the right. But also I can set this up to use as the onboard computer. I can also set it up to look at different technical data on board the yacht. So really here is the nerve centre of the Oyster 885.